Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad exponential equation problem. And here we have 4 to the power of minus m equals m, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here you remember one thing is that here our m is an real number. So here in order to solve this problem, the very first thing we are going to do is here first we need to take the natural log on both of the sides of this equation, so that when we take this natural log, it will be written as natural log of 4 to the power of minus m equals natural log of m. And after this step, here we use the nice property of log, and according to this property of log, here we move this exponent minus m in the front of this log, and it will be written as minus m log of 4 equals log of m. Okay, so in the next step here we need to move this m to the right hand side, so that in order to move this m to the right hand side, we just divide both of the sides by m. Okay, we divide this on both sides. So here when we divide both of the sides by m, it will be written as minus m log of 4 divided by m equals log of m is divided by m. And now you see here this m is cancelled out by this m, and in the left hand side we get minus log of 4 equals here you have log of m divided by m. So here we use the nice property of log. It means that if you focus on this m, and you see here we write this m as if we take log and anti-log at the same time of this m, then it will be written as e to the power of log m. It means that this e and log are cancelled by each other, and then we again get m. So now here we replace this m by this term. Okay, so here you see that when we replace m equals e to the power of log m, then our above equation is written as minus log 4 equals log of m divided by this m, and our m is equals e to the power of log m. So here we know the very basic property of exponents. If we move this e to the power of log m to the upsides, then its exponent becomes negative, and we write it as log m into multiplied by e to the power of minus log m. So in the left hand side we have this is minus log 4. So now we multiplying both of the sides by minus 1, so that when we multiply both of the sides by minus 1, then our above equation is written as log of 4 equals minus log m into e to the power of minus log m. And now in the next step here we focus in the left hand side, and in the left hand side we have this is log 4. So here we need to write this log 4 into the in this form. 2 squared equals minus log of m into e to the power of minus log of m. Okay, so further you see here we just again apply the nice property of log, and we move this exponent 2 in the front of this log, and it will be written as 2 times of log 2 equals minus log of m into e to the power of minus log of m. So here we need the nice Lambert W function, so that here we solve this problem with the help of Lambert W function. So that now first we little bit explain about the Lambert W function. The Lambert W function is denoted as w if you have w of a into e to the power of a, this is the standard form of Lambert W function. It means that in a Lambert W function, we first make an exponential function with base e, and after that its exponent is multiplied by here. Then the output of this types of Lambert W function is equals to the exponent of e, so its exponent is a. Okay, similarly, if I can give the particular example of this Lambert W function, if you have w of 5 into e to the power of 5, then the output of this type of function will becomes 5. And similarly, if you have w of 10 into e to the power of 10, then the output of this type of function will becomes here 10. And similarly, if you have w of 15 into e to the power of 15, then this will be equals to 15. Okay, so this is the little bit introduction about the Lambert W function. So now in the above step, we're ready to apply this type of Lambert W function, because if you focus in the right hand side, we make the exponential function e with exponent minus log m is multiplied by here. So the terms, these two terms are same. Then if we apply this w function, then we get the output of this function is minus log m. So that now we apply this w function on this equation on both of the sides, and it will be written as w of 2 log 2 equals w of minus log m, we just write it here, minus log of m into e to the power of minus log m. Okay, here we apply the w function on both of the sides, and it will be written in this form. So now here first we focus on the right hand side. So the output of this type of function will becomes here minus log of m. So in the left hand side here we need some working to make this into the standard form of a Lambert W function. So that here we focus on this 2, and we write this 2 as in this form. W of this 2 is written as e to the power of log 2. It means that when we take log and anti-log at the same time on this 2, then it will be written on this form e to the power of log 2, and here you have log of 2. So this will be also becomes the form of Lambert W function. So here the output of this type of function is log of 2 equals minus log of m. So because in this problem we solve this for the value of, we solve this for real values of m. So now in order to remove this log, here we need to apply the property of log, and we move this negative sign to the exponent of this m, and it will be written as log of m inverse. In the left hand side we have log 2. Okay, so now you see here we need to take the anti-log on both of the sides, so that it will be written as e to the power of log 2 equals e to the power of log m inverse. So these are cancelled by each other, and we get in the left hand side is 2, but in the right hand side we have m inverse. So here we write this m inverse as 1 over m, and here you have 2. So we move this m in the left hand side and 2 in the right hand side. We just interchange these two values, and then we get the value of m is equals to 1 over 2. So this is our final answer in this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.